So today we're tackling something very critical. It's not talked about a lot. The subject is detoxification in the 21st century. Now I want you to think about this. We don't think about these things enough. 150 years ago, most of the toxic substances we deal with today, they didn't even exist. There were no synthetic pesticides in our food, no industrial air pollution, no chemical cocktails in our cleaning products or personal care items. But now, we're living in a world where toxins are everywhere. Pesticides and preservatives are in our food, heavy metals are in our water, plastic derivatives like BPA in our packaging, and pharmaceutical residues in the water supply. Now that's terrible, but it's true. And increasingly, non-native electromagnetic wave energy, like 5G and Wi-Fi. We're saturated with it in our ancestors' biology. They never even had to process such things. So it's pretty clear that the body wasn't designed to handle this constant exposure. That's why detoxification isn't something trendy. It's a survival skill in today's world. Now the good news, your body is designed to detoxify. It just needs the right support. So today I'm going to give you 5 powerful and accessible ways to help your body detox and do what it was built to do. Clean itself out and heal. So first up, sauna therapy. Sweating is one of the body's most powerful detox systems. And think about it. It's something because of technology we just don't do. So we turn to saunas, and sauna use turns up that dial naturally. Regular exposure to dry or infrared saunas support heavy metal excretion, improve circulation, lymphatic drainage, and even cardiovascular health. Here's what the research says. Passive heat therapy through sauna bathing has significant health benefits, including enhanced elimination of toxic elements through sweat and improvements in vascular function. And that, of course, as you see, is from the Mayo Clinic. This is a go-to tool in the detox toolbox. If you can build in even 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week, it's going to pay dividends in helping your body do what it was naturally made to do. Now, second on the list, we have to talk about fasting, and in particular, maybe intermittent fasting. When you give your digestive system a break, your body, it's not just sitting around. It gets to work repairing tissues, recycling damaged cells, and yes, even detoxing. This process is called autophagy. Your cells literally cleaning themselves out. Fasting allows that internal housekeeping to happen more often and more effectively. So you want to start simple. I would suggest you try a 12-hour fast, say from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Then you work your way toward 14 or even 16-hour windows if your body responds well to that. You're not starving yourself, you're giving yourself time and space to heal. So let's move on to a third element of detoxification, and that's hydration. Good common sense. Now think of water as your internal river system. It flushes waste through urine, sweat, which we've already talked about, and even your respiration. Without enough water, your detox channels, they get sluggish. So maybe a little tip, add lemon or cucumber or even a pinch of sea salt or Celtic salts to your water to enhance mineral absorption and alkalinity. Shoot for half your body weight in ounces per day. That's pretty safe. You might consider using more if you're training hard or you're using that sauna we talked about earlier. Fourth, and now this is a big one, optimal gut health and microbiome balance. Your gut is your first line of defense against toxins. It's not just about your digestion. Your microbiome influences your immunity, your inflammation, and even your brain chemistry. So here's how to improve it. You want to eliminate the irritants like ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, seed oils, and excessive antibiotics. That's a big problem today. And you want to introduce probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut, kefir, or just plain yogurt. Feed good bacteria with pro and prebiotics. Think onions, garlic, bananas, and asparagus. And yes, nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich foods like leafy greens and berries, they're also going to help repair the gut lining. Think of your gut like your roots. If the roots are toxic, the whole tree, it's going to suffer. Now, last on today's list, one of my favorites, it's movement. Physical activity is going to boost detoxification through several systems, especially your lymphatic system, which doesn't have a pump like your heart does. It relies on your muscles contracting to move waste out of the tissues. Walking, jumping, lifting, flow-based movements, even rebounding on a mini trampoline. The goal is consistent movement. Every day you need to move. That keeps your detox systems online. Now let's get this straight. Detox is not a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle rhythm that you need to develop. And you don't need to overcomplicate it. Sauna to sweat it out, fasting to reset from within, hydration to flush, gut health to filter and protect, and movement to circulate and eliminate. These are your game plan tools for 21st century detox. Use them. They're easy and they're applicable. And as always, train smart, live clean, and stay in the game.